Hey everyone, it is Chris here, and today I'm sitting here with my coffee, and what I also have sitting right next to us is my old busted up Baratza Encore grinder. Now, this is not a fault of Baratza. Well, one thing is, but I moved this thing around and I moved from Hawaii to the mainland. This got cracked, and over time this little knob broke off right here, but the grinder itself still worked fine. We just had to kind of set it from time to time, and we were using pliers to turn it on. But I went and bought a new one. It's sitting over here in my coffee station, which you can't see. But then I started looking around. I thought my sister might like this, and I wonder if we can get parts. And I found out you can. You can get parts. You can get them from Baratza, and you can get them from Amazon. So what I want to do today is show you how to go ahead and fix up a busted Baratza Encore grinder. So again, I ordered both of these from Baratza. I think you can get them from Amazon, but I will leave links below. And there are a few things that I have ordered. I ordered a new knob, and I ordered a new hopper, and a new rubber gasket here. In addition to that, I also got a cleaning kit here that will allow us to clean it out and get all the oils and everything that were in that. But as you can see, the box comes out here. It is very well wrapped. Very well wrapped. And in here we have the rubber gasket and a brand new hopper. Now, it does not include the lid. Believe it or not, they do sell the lid separately, but these work just fine. And then, because I'm an idiot and I messed up, I forgot to order the knob and had to order that one separately. But if you do it all at once, you can get the better shipping prices. And if we open this up here, we have the knob. And frankly, this one is really easy. That one is fixed, done. That's the easy one. The second one in here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and kind of dump out any of the old grinds in here, and then we can go ahead and get back to fixing this. Okay, I got most of the junk out of there, I think. So we have this in, we gotta figure this out. I think this needs to go like yay, and we need to take the plastic off of this. And the great thing is the hopper is actually a little bit nicer. And so we're gonna go ahead and we put this on here, and there's a couple rings to slip that into. So one of the things you'll need to do is there's two tabs here. There's two tabs here that need to be pointing down the middle. And what you'll find is this little small tab will go in the front, and these will slip down over into it. It takes a little bit of finagling, but it does work. All right, so what you'll do is you'll find that it sits right over here. So this is on the maximum at 40. And then what will happen is you can see you can twist it all the way over to the minimum as well. So I just want to make sure that we have on our little disc here. And you can see, there we go. That's literally how easy it is to fix this thing. It takes a little finagling to figure out where everything needs to go, but like that, it's ready to go. And if I can come over here. There we go. Now, what we'll do with this one here is, I can't read anymore, we'll set the grind setting to medium, it's around 20 right now. Add 1 pack of tablets to empty grinder, and grind all cleaning tablets until done. So, look, they look like little coffee beans. And that's it. That's how you fix a Baratza Encore Burr grinder that's seen better days. Now, this one, we keep it as a spare. I could take it to my mom's to have a grinder there and give it to my sister or a friend as well. So before you go out and buy a new one, great thing about the Baratza stuff is they do have parts. You can go ahead and order it, and really it's just not that hard to do. So I will leave links to all this below. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.